Overnight Superheroes TV.
Yay! Yay! Hello everyone, my name is Sarah. Today we will visit the continent of Asia and explore all the countries. I hope you are all excited to join me. Tighten your seatbelts, friends. Ready? Let's go! Asia, the largest and most diverse continent on Earth. A land where ancient traditions meet futuristic innovation, and where over half of the world's population calls home. From the snowy peaks of Mount Everest to the tropical islands of Southeast Asia, this continent is a breathtaking mosaic of cultures, languages, and histories. Asia stretches across deserts, rainforests, mountains, and megacities. It is home to powerful nations like China and India, the two most populous countries on Earth. Here, nature and humanity exist on a scale found nowhere else. Asia's history spans thousands of years. The ancient stones of the Great Wall of China whisper stories of empires and warriors. The breathtaking beauty of the Taj Mahal stands as a timeless symbol of love. Every country holds treasures shaped by civilization, faith, and arts. Today, Asia is also the engine of the future. Cities like Tokyo blend tradition with cutting-edge technology, while places such as Dubai rise from the desert as symbols of ambition and innovation. From robotics to high-speed trains, the future is being built here. Asia's true heart lies in its people. More than 2,000 languages are spoken across the continent. Its cultures influence the world, from cuisine and fashion to film and music, including the global rise of groups like BTS from South Korea. Despite differences, shared values of family, respect, and community run deep. Asia is home to 48 sovereign countries. In East Asia, we begin with China, the world's most populous country, known for ancient history and global economic power. Japan, where samurai tradition meets cutting-edge technology. South Korea, famous for innovation, cinema, and K-pop culture. North Korea, one of the world's most isolated nations. Mongolia, land of vast steppes and the legacy of Genghis Khan. Southeast Asia is rich in tropical beauty and cultural diversity. Indonesia, the world's largest island nation. Malaysia, blending Malay, Chinese, and Indian cultures. Singapore, a small but powerful global financial hub. Thailand, known for golden temples and vibrant tourism. Vietnam, rich in history and natural beauty. Philippines, an archipelago of over 7,000 islands. Myanmar, home to ancient pagodas and traditions. Cambodia, guardian of the magnificent Angkor temples. Laos, peaceful and mountainous. Brunei, a wealthy nation powered by oil. Timor-Leste, one of Asia's youngest countries. South Asia is home to powerful traditions and stunning landscapes. India, diverse in language, culture, and religion. Pakistan, known for towering mountains and rich heritage. Bangladesh, vibrant and densely populated. Sri Lanka, an island of tea, temples, and wildlife. Nepal, home to Mount Everest. Bhutan, famous for prioritizing gross national happiness. Maldives, tropical islands scattered across the Indian Ocean. Afghanistan, historically located at the crossroads of empires. Western Asia blends ancient civilization with modern ambition. Some countries under this region are labeled transcontinental. In geography, transcontinental refers to a country that has its land territory spread across more than one continent. This happens because the natural or historically accepted boundaries between continents like mountains or rivers happen to cut right through the middle of the country. Turkey, bridging Europe and Asia. Saudi Arabia, birthplace of Islam and vast desert lands. United Arab Emirates, known for futuristic cities. Qatar, wealthy and globally influential. Kuwait, oil-rich Gulf state. Oman, rich maritime history. Yemen, one of the oldest civilizations in the region. Israel, center of major world religions and innovation. Jordan, home to ancient Petra. Lebanon, known for culture and resilience. Iraq, cradle of ancient Mesopotamia. Syria, historic crossroads of trade routes. Armenia, one of the world's oldest Christian nations, transcontinental. Azerbaijan, land of fire and energy wealth, transcontinental. Georgia, mountainous landscapes and ancient wine culture, transcontinental. Bahrain, island nation in the Persian Gulf. Cyprus, culturally connected to both Europe and Asia. Iran, heir to the Persian Empire's rich legacy. In Central Asia, vast plains and Silk Road history define the region. Kazakhstan, the largest landlocked country in the world. Uzbekistan, known for historic Silk Road cities. Turkmenistan, rich in natural gas reserves. Kyrgyzstan, mountainous and nomadic in tradition. Tajikistan, home to dramatic mountain landscapes. From ancient wonders to futuristic cities, from sacred traditions to global pop culture, Asia is not one story but thousands woven together. A continent of nations, each unique, each extraordinary, each shaping the world in its own way. Which country will you like to visit someday in Asia? Drop it in the comments section. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Click on the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload our content. Thank you. Bye-bye.